In this video, we'll explore the Students menu and learn how to track each learner's progress. We'll look at the student list, individual dashboards, assignment analytics, the activity log, and how to use insights for personalised support. First, go back to your class overview and select the Students tab. Here you'll see all students in your group. The list shows the number of points, or XP, they've collected, when they were last active, and their assignment completion rate. You can also move a student to another class or remove them from this group. You can sort students alphabetically by last active time, completion rate, or by points earned. Click any student to open their personal dashboard. On the overview page, you'll see the students' most recent assignments, their strongest and weakest grammar areas, and their vocabulary performance. Strong and weak words are based on how often they answer vocabulary questions correctly. You can assign extra practice directly to support weaker vocabulary. To inspect results from a specific assignment, open Latest Assignments and click Assignment Details. Here you can see every lesson in the unit: vocabulary, pronunciation, video, grammar, and AI speaking, and the results the student achieved in each one. You can open any lesson to view individual scores and, if needed, reassign the lesson using the button in the top right corner. The activity log shows everything the student has completed, both assignments you gave them and any self-study lessons they completed on their own. In statistics, you'll find detailed charts showing solved lessons, time spent learning, points collected, stars earned, and vocabulary development. These insights help you understand learning habits and identify where extra support may be needed. That's how you track individual student progress in Xeropan Classroom, from overall activity to detailed lesson analytics. When you're ready, continue to the next video in this workshop.